All right, guys, we have arrived. It's about 5:50 in the morning now. Sun should be coming up in about 30 minutes. We're gonna get out there and see how it goes, guys. Fish on. All right, guys, we just got over here to the spot. Still haven't gotten a bite. Looks like the sun's about to come up. We'll get right back with you as soon as we hook on. All right, guys, the first crappie of the day. Don't know if he's gonna cut it, but that's the first crappie of the day. Oh yeah, that's an 11-incher right there. All right, putting this little medium minnow, hooking them from the fin. And then just dropping it all the way to the bottom beside this big 18-foot tree. All right. Why you didn't sit down, Titi? Ooh, you do. Oh, it's a big one.
Look at my fish,
bro. You didn't even.
Titi, look at my fish, bro.
Bro, you just had a big crappie, bro. United States, Africa.
It's just the song of it.
Ooh, got him. Watch out. Damn, he hit it hard. Should be a good one. That's a slab.
It got black on its head.
That's a slab right there, guys. Is he a 10-incher? Of course. 11 and a half. In there, buddy. You got him, you got him.
Got him.
Is that mine? Scoop. That's a little guy right there, I think. Is he alive?
Yeah. It was just fine.
I think I got one. Here, I got one. Hold this. We on. Double up. That's a baby. Grab him right, man, before he reaches his lip.
This isn't one.
Small little crappie. Release them. Ooh, that's a good one. Ooh, that's a real good one. What are you doing, real? Ooh, that's a big one, man.
Get over here.
Wait, grab him. That's a slab, dude. Here.
Get over here.
Hold on. Go. Grab him from the mouth. Grab him. Dude. Pick him up. That's a slab, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Pick him up.
I got you. Get over here.
Biggest fish of the day so far, guys. That's a true slab right there. Show him to the camera, man.
Oh, yeah.
Damn, that's a big one, bro. Barely hooked.
We don't even have to move. Yeah.
That's a 13-incher right there. It's a good slab. We need more like that. Guys, the slabs are out. My little brother just hooked up to the second slab. I wasn't recording because I'm trying to fix my other rod to get back in there. It looks like the slabs are out.
That's my digging.
Hold him, come on. Here. Show him to the camera, man. That's a slab right there, dude. Throw him in there. Oh, it's another slab. Never mind. This guy just makes every single little crappie look like it's a slab, but it's really not. That's a baby.
Oh.
Throw him this way, okay? Like away from the scene. Just this way, just whip him like that a little bit. That way he doesn't come over here and tell his homies, like Jose's striper told everybody, yo guys, don't bite those minnows. It's a trap, I tell you. I met him. I went to the other side. Yeah. Another one. That might be a good one. That a baby. Let's go, Jose. Catch another slab. See you, little guy. I got one. Yep. That's a good one.
Oh, again. Oh.
It's another little crappie right there, guys. Probably a 10-incher, but we already got some bigger fish than this, so can aim for some big ones. That's another baby.
I caught like 3 babies already.
Another baby. Crappie. Good job, man.
I stabbed myself.
All right. Looks like we're starting to catch them left and right now. You look, Jose. It's another slab. Loosen up the line. There. It's a sandy.
Sandbag. Okay.
Throw them the other way.
That's a big one. Well, not that big, but it's bigger than that one. Oh, Christian, that's one. Oh, you got stuck.
Let her loose. He's probably wrapped around.
Keep pushing. You got it?
It's another slab right there, guys. Don't do the camera. Big ugly boy catching that fish. Got him. Not a boy, that's another keeper. Ooh. That's another slab right there, Bo feller. Did you just keep it there, or were you really not? Get him in here, Christian. Get him in here, bro. Come on, bring him up.
Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one.
Oh my God. That's a monster, bro.
Oh,
Oh my goodness. What is this? Oh, and I got stuck. Bro, that's a freaking monster, dude. I don't think I've ever seen a crappie that big. Oh my god, that's a ginormous slab. Here, move this trash. Here, reel it. It's a good one, Jose? Ooh, I think that might be a keeper too. Look at this, guys. It's a normal crappie, and this is a monster slab right here. Jesus, bro. Here, take a picture of this one.
I don't want him to fall.
Oh my god, this guy. See you later, little baby.
No, that was my
Yeah.
I tried like 8, no, not like 5, 6 pounds.
Do I still have all
Dude, what a slab. All right, that's good. I got you, bro.
Dang! You did it first one.
So far, so good, guys. We've been fishing for about 3 hours now. 2 hours, I mean. Yeah, 2 hours. And we've caught plenty of crappie. I've been able to get a few on camera. Gotten a few slabs, a few dinks. I think we got 3 or 4 slabs in there. Got another one. We're hooked on. Feels like a decent one. That's a keeper right there. That's a good one right there.
That's my fish, bro. That's my small one.
Oh, dude, in.
He swallowed it?
Yeah.
I got one here. Here. Handle it. Handle it. Pull up. Oh. Oh.
We doubled up, baby.
No, that's mine, boy. Watch it. Watch the rod. Don't make sure it don't break.
No, we got doubled up. What if we could triple it?
Hold on, dudes. Hold this, man. Hold this.
Oh, the middle of the split.
No, this one's mine.
That one's definitely a 10-incher too. It's bigger than mine. Alright, guys. Got another slab right here.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Get over here, big guy. Ow, just stabbed me. Another slab right there, fellas. Let's get in there. What are we doing today, Jose? Yeah, what are we doing? Get him in here. It's probably another toad. Oh, never mind.
I got it. It's okay.
So what?
I thought you made like, what is this learning experience?
No, like what are we doing to catch fish?
Oh, okay, so we're hooking the minnow on its back. And then we're dropping it all the way down, and then reeling up slowly, pausing, until a fish smacks it. Then we reel up.
Good. That's all we're doing today, guys. We're tied up beside this tree. Anytime when you find an isolated tree in the lake, you already know it's a given for crappie. So it's been a good day so far.
Perfect day. I got 4 fish.
We've all got a handful of fish.